Hey, if you're watching this, I bet your saw blades kinda suck. Here's 5 reasons why. Has it been like 5 years since you changed your table saw blade? Your blades probably suck. Did you spend like $400 on a nice compound miter saw only to think, oh, the blade it came with is probably good enough? Well, your blades probably suck. No matter what you do, are you always burning your maple and other hardwoods when you rip? Well, your blades probably suck. Are you constantly running into nails with your blades? Well, your blades probably suck. Are you constantly getting blowout when you do a crosscut on your miter saw, even though you're using like a 32 tooth blade? Well, your blade probably sucks, and you should switch to an 80 tooth or something. So, don't be a schmuck. Spend a little money and buy yourself a new blade. And not only that, but buy yourself the right kind of blade for the kind of work that you're doing with it. This sarcastic video is all meant to say that you should do yourself a favor and get the right kind of blades for the ripping and cross-cutting that you're doing with the certain kinds of woods that you like to work. But I'm sure you already knew that. Have a great day!